Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about being a transcriptionist or transcriber and working from home and online. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and find it helpful. Let's get to it. Hey there, as I said, welcome to the episode. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about being a transcriptionist or a transcriber. What is being a transcriber or transcriptionist? It is simply taking the words from a video like this, or an audio file, a speech that is done live, a webinar, a podcast, an interview, whatever kind of situation it may be in, and then taking those words and putting them into a document or a blog post or a website post so that the person that is doing videos or audio work or a podcast or an interview has documentation of what was said. It is also a way that you could do book is by transcribing. And this is something I've actually been doing over the past year, is taking the videos from People of Video 2020 online and transcribing them verbatim to put into a book for the host and career of Creator Fundamentals. No, I'm not being sponsored or paid in any way to mention that. It's just an example of one way that I have experience with transcribing. There are also people out there who are looking for transcribers to do interviews. One of these ways that this is commonly done is in law enforcement and other situations where they need documentation of a physical in-person interview to use later on for court cases and things like that. This is also the same kind of a job that the clerk does for court case. You commonly see them on TV sitting over there typing on their little keyboard and writing out everything that gets said between the attorneys and the judge and everyone else in the case. Pretty much the same concept is you're transcribing everything that gets said and putting it into a document for later use or review. There are a number of different websites that you can go to looking for transcriber or transcriptionist jobs, and there are plenty out there, more than what I'm going to list here. It'll only take you a quick Google search or search on whatever web browser you're using, and you will find hundreds of them. You can check out Indeed.com, ZipRecruiter.com, FlexJobs.com, Five9.com, LinkedIn.com, Upwork.com, Zippia.com, Salary.com, Glassdoor.com, Craigslist.com, and Fiverr.com, just to name a few. Of course, this list will be in the description down below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or you have experience with this, by all means, please feel free to share it down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope today's video was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to check out one of these videos over here, as they may interest you. I've got 100+ different ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.